Now that we have added all the machines and operations to Eziil, it is time to add production floor workers who will start reporting doing those operations on those machines that you have defined previously. For that we will go production, settings and workers, and here we have some examples also. Just to be clear, you don't have to add all your company's employees here. For example, you have a purchase manager who does only purchase orders in Eziil, then you don't have to add that person here. But if you have someone who does inventory movements, plus he does also packing, which is one of the operations that you want to track in Eziil, then you have to add that person here. But let's look at one example. Let's take David Williams. Here we can see that we have to define a code, which is the person's first name in this case. We'll write out the person's full name, from which date he started working, if it's a worker or a worker group, as we had machine and machine group, department, and now we come to an important part, which is users. Users are accounts that this worker is allowed to log in. For example, we are a company and we have 4 reporting stations. Reporting 1 is for the preparation department, reporting 2 is for welding department, reporting 3 is for painting department, and reporting 4 is for packing department. This worker David, he is a multi-talent and he is working in the preparation department and also in the packing department when needed. So for him we have filtered out that he is only allowed to log in those reporting 1 and reporting 4 users. Let's move on. Let's look at machines that this worker is allowed to report working on. He is allowed to work on pending machine, which is his default machine, but also at some time he works on pending 2, and as we mentioned previously, sometimes he also works in the packing, so packing 1 and packing 2 is also available for him. And if we don't add any machines here and the list is empty, then he is allowed to work on all the machines that are inserted into Eziil.